Hi, good evening, Chars.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine.
Are you ready?
Go.
I can play basketball.
Did you play basketball yesterday?
No, I didn't.
Where is basketball?
Where's your basketball?
Where's your basketball?
It's next to the bag.
Is it dirty?
No, it isn't dirty. It's clean. She can play the piano.
Did you play piano?
Did she can play the piano. Did she
play piano?
the piano? Did she play the piano?
Did she play the piano yesterday?
Yes, she did. What's her name?
What's it mean? What's her name?
What's her name? Her name is Helen.
How old is she?
She's 18. He can ride his bicycle. Did
he play bicycle yesterday?
Did he ride his bicycle?
Did he ride his bicycle yesterday?
No, he didn't. He rode his bicycle 2 days ago.
Where is this?
His bicycle is next to the tree.
Where is the bicycle?
It's next to the tree.
Is he John?
No, he isn't John. He's Michael. Okay, it's your turn. I can
play football.
Did you play football last Friday?
Yes, I love.
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Do you like playing football?
Yes, I love.
Yes, I love it.
Yes, I love it.
Yes, I do. Both are okay. Okay? Are you going to play football tomorrow?
Yes. She can play the violin.
She can play the violin. Wow. Did she play the violin 2 hours ago?
Yes, it is.
Is she a professional one?
No, they aren't.
No, she isn't.
No, she isn't.
Okay, she has to practice more, right? 她练更多. Where is she? Where is she right now? She's in the
bedroom.
He can
play tennis.
Tennis. Did he play tennis 3 days ago?
Yes,
Yes, he did.
Yes, he did.
Who is he?
He is
Mike.
Mike.
Is he your uncle?
Yes, I am.
Yes, he is.
Yes, he is.
Are you ready for the TPR section? Are you ready?
Go!
Come on. You go first. Touch them. Touch your toes.
Touch your toes. Stand on your hands.
Wow. Stand on my hands. It's pretty hard. The third one.
Play the guitar. Stop. Stand on the chair.
Stand on the chair.